But Honorable President, we want to urge you, President. We want to urge you to enter the serious debate of undocumented foreigners in our country, Honorable President. Our cities, Honorable President, have seen unprecedented marches of citizens raising concerns about undocumented immigrants. Ours is to state this clearly, Honorable President. We refuse to be against all foreign citizens, but we agree that undocumented foreigners who entered our country legally must leave our country peacefully. Once more, President, we want to make it clear we are not against foreigners, but you can't tolerate people we don't know how they came in our country, what they need in our country, what they are doing in our country, and where they stay in our country, President. So, President, we urge you to enter the debate and allow us to ensure the new immigration laws and the immigration bill that is currently in public participation mode, that it must be utilized to be the final document to resolve this matter once and for all. And those that have given foreigners up until the 30th of June to leave our country we want to emphasize the point that this must be done orderly and through the processes of the law in our country. President, let me take this opportunity to thank you, President, for intervening with the Minister of Social Development. But we want to urge you, President, don't stop there, President. Don't stop there, President. There is a certain minister, President, that the country assigned him a task to develop an AI policy. He used AI to develop a policy of the country. Then they have the audacity to come here, Honorable President. There is a member here representing the Democratic Alliance, came here to say, cry the beloved Matlosa.